Right, gents, we are filming this on the go, but we've got 2 Euro USD trades to go over, and then 2 oil trades to go over as well. The total amount of lost/gained is in the title. I'll give you a hint, it's already lost, you know what I'm saying? But we'll go through the confluences that I took to take these trades regardless of what the result was. As per usual, transparency for me is my main goal. So, let me just put a BOS here so you guys know this. We'll replay it back. So we were bullish in this sense. Let's go on to why we were bullish. Get the full scope down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the distance between this candle to this candle. We are going to the upside, so we're bullish. Over to the 4 hour. We had such a tight little trend here. 1, 2, 3, and then on the highs, 1, 2, 3, and then on the hourly, easily, mate, 1, 2, 3, and then on the highs you could have any of these going up. Okay, so we're bullish on all 3 time frames. So we're marking out the previous session low that got taken immediately right here. Then we had a fake out because we had that first bullish candle, then the previous, well, then the next one was the pullback. Then we had that break of structure to the upside. After that fake out, we then bracketed the whole move with the fib tool, and we waited for a nice tap in. And unfortunately it tapped in a little bit too far, mate, because that was a loss on the sheets. Now let's skip over to the New York session trades. This was B2BLs on EU. To be honest, it was deserved. EU this year has been absolutely crazy, 30-year pull. Then we had the same setup again, same bias, previous session level sweep, which was right here. Boom, first bullish candle here, faked out nicely there. Then a break of structure to the upside, bracketed that whole move. We got tapped in right here. And we got tapped out right there just before news. Going over to the oil trades now. One was break even, okay, because there was news pull out. I pulled out right here at break even there. And the other one, oh no, so, yeah, the other one was a straight loss. So once again, bias was bearish on this one, okay. Asian highs swept, fake out there, break of structure here. Fib tool, top of the move to the bottom of the move. Price came up and tapped us right there. And then I ended up taking out a break even because there was a news event. Moving over to the next session. Same exact thing happened again, but this time it was London highs getting swept. Then a fake out, then a break of structure here. And we got tapped in nicely there, and we took a loss. This is the current standings for both my accounts. What I found is, earlier on this year, the futures were out-competing the Forex by quite a while. But now, we're moving over to a cycle where my Forex accounts are out-competing my futures accounts. Futures accounts are definitely taking a hit, 7 are down from personal best. The Forex accounts are only 3 R down from personal best in terms of cumulative R. So I've got to keep clocking in, day out. I've got all the funding to accept winning periods, so I'm pretty dialed in that regard. But I'll speak to you boys in the next one. Paid and free Discord is in the description. Nothing else you boys need to know. Peace, love, and unity.